Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Travel for your traveling project. So first of all, I'm going to go to Google, and if you're already connected to your Google account, you'll see the little waffle here. And if you click on the waffle, you'll go and find the app called Google Travel. Once you click on Google Travel, you will search for your destination. So I'm gonna try Canada. I'm gonna click on enter and I will see different things. First of all, I will see the top sites. So what are the most popular landmarks and attractions in Canada? And I can search for the top sites by interest. So is it kid friendly? Because I want to go and travel as a family, outdoors, art and culture, museum, beaches, history. So you have a bunch of interest categories that you can choose from. So let's say I'm going to click on amusement parks. And I would be very interested in seeing this World Water Park. If I keep my mouse on the attraction, I can see it pop up on the map on my right. So if I move to Canada's Wonderland, I can see it's way over in another province, and then I can move around and see where everything is. So I'm gonna add it to my collection and my bookmarks by clicking on the little icon right here. There you go. So if I go a little closer on the map, I can see this attraction is in Edmonton. So I'm gonna refine my search and see what else is to be done in Edmonton. So Edmonton top sites. Oh, West Edmonton Mall. I'm interested by this attraction, so I'm gonna bookmark it. And then Galaxy Land looks interesting. Bookmark this as well. And oh, a zoo. It's different, so I'd like that. Once all of this is done, I can see everything on the map that I've bookmarked. I can go in my saved links, and on my map, I will only have the things that I have saved. So West Edmonton Mall, Galaxy Land, Edmonton Valley Zoo, and the World Water Park. I also believe that all three of these are very close or maybe even in the same building. If my teacher asks for a number of attractions and landmark, and maybe I have bookmarked too many places, I can just come here and remove the landmarks that I decide not to visit. So I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you.